Hi, I'm Matt from Avolites. I work as the AI sales engineer here in our London headquarters, and today we're going to be going through layer control in AI. So AI provides quite a bit of flexibility when it comes to content manipulation and playback. As we've explained in a previous video, to load up a bit of content into your layer, you have your media banks here, you click your layer, and you click your bit of content. And this means that you can load up different bits of media into different layers and fade between them. Now the layer containers are actually quite powerful. You get a lot of flexibility of controls within them. If we have a look at here, in a previous video we looked at blend types. So we can make this an additive blend type, and you can see the layers stacking on top of each other with the media content. Now this blend type will save no matter what media you're using. So if we trigger another bit here, you can see that it's still using the additive blend type selected previously. And this is true for all of the layer controllers. If we double click on the layer, you can see it brings up this dialog box, which has a lot more controllers for that layer. We can change things like image size, which as you can see is decreasing that image size. We can move these boxes down. And even though it's still additive, we can move it into a position with the X and Y. So this is really useful if you have something like a transparent PNG with a logo that you want in the corner of your production, or sort of picture-in-picture look. And we can change that blend type again back to alpha, and you can see the whole image there. We've also got aspect modes. So centered will maintain the aspect ratio of your content as you scale it based on the original. Letterbox and crop will do just that depending on the aspect ratio of your canvas compared to your content. We've also got color control, so you can see we've got all of that, and hue and saturation controls as well. If at any point you want to go back to default, there's a nice handy button right here that applies defaults back to standard. Within each layer as well, you've got your visual effects. So we could load something like 092 raindrops, and as we increase some of these knobs, you will see that some raindrop effect will be added to the image. And now this acts only on that layer. You can see the effects in that top left-hand corner there. It's running effects 92 on the first channel. If we clear that layer, the media out of that layer, and fade it out, you'll see that the effect's not running on the layer below. And this is really useful because the layer will hold those settings for all of your different bits of media that you play in it, or you can use other layers to hold a set of parameters in that one. If, however, you want to set up your clips separately, independent of layer, we'll explain that in another video. So I'll see you guys soon. Come back to learn more, and have a good day.